How to set low battery notification on iPhone. So let's start. First open shortcut, open this. Here you can see automation, tap on automation, new automation. Then scroll down and find battery level. Select this. First select battery level like I'm select 10%. Then select false below. Then run immediately. Turn on notification if you like. Then next is speak test. Select this. Type text which you want to speak like I'm select battery low. So then okay. So in this way you can set low battery notification on iPhone. Thanks for watching.